Hey guys, Tyler here, Diesel Power Products. Today we've got the new Edge Pulsar inline performance module for your L5P Duramax. We're going to crack this bad boy open and see what you get in the box. Alright guys, now that we got this Pulsar opened up, here's what you get. User manual / install guide. You get the Pulsar module itself. You get the bracket kit to secure it to the ECM, and then you get your update cable. Some of the features of the Pulsar for your L5P is this is just a simple inline module. So it just uses the two connectors here on the back that plugs into the front of your ECM in your truck, and then you'll go ahead and reattach your ECM connectors here in the front of the Pulsar module. This guy's got 5 power levels up to 90 additional horsepower that are adjustable on the fly. You can either use your cruise control buttons on your steering wheel, or if the truck is equipped with an Edge Insight, you can go ahead and use that to control the power levels. This thing also has built-in safety features for transmission slip and EGTs. It also has a high idle feature, which is really cool. Once you have your ECM out of your L5P, it is as simple as setting the Pulsar module on top, matching the connectors. It is very important to make sure that you have a nice flat surface that you're working with here. You don't want to run into bending any of these pins when installing the Pulsar module on the ECM. So find yourself a nice flat surface, install the Pulsar module, and make sure you press down firmly, evenly, until you hear a click on both connectors. Once the Pulsar module is firmly in place on the factory ECM, then all you have to do is install your brackets on the top and the bottom, and those brackets will keep the Pulsar module from coming loose on the ECM. Then it's time to reinstall back into the truck. That's everything you need to know for the Edge Pulsar for your L5P Duramax. If you're looking to get one today, check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.